Hi folks, I promised you that I would show you how to use the database to find some research-based articles to discuss what's happened since the National Reading Panel in 2000, but also model and engage us into evidence-based strategies within your areas, whether it's phonic, phonemic awareness, fluency, comprehension, vocabulary, and writing. So, a real quick tour. Go to rmu.edu/library. That will take you right to the articles. You don't want books, you don't want databases, media, none of this. You type in what you're looking for. So I'm looking for phonics strategies for struggling readers. So I was in here earlier. It may take you back and make you log into your credentials. Let's see here if it makes me do that. So I'm looking for, since 2000, since the National Reading Panel came out and identified as 5 areas of reading. Again, I added writing because it's a pillar of literacy, the forgotten one, and I'm looking for more current research, but also strategies. So I might have to kind of piecemeal this, look for the research first, and then go after these strategies. So I just go through. Anything that matches your search comes up. It tells you whether or not there's a full text, that it's available through the database. If it does not say, you can always cut and paste this, send it to me. I'll send it off to the librarian. She'll find it for you, send it right to your email. So even if there's something you're really, truly interested in, don't shy away from it, because we can get it for you pretty quickly. Now, some interesting stuff here. You want to make sure that all of the articles that you're looking for are peer-reviewed. That's really important because typically they go through a double-blind review. So when, let's say I write something and I submit it to a journal, it is sent out to reviewers. My name is not on it. I don't know who they are. They decide whether or not it's worthy for publication. So that's kind of important. Notice here you can email stuff to yourself. You can cite things. So, it's 2022. It'll help you do your APA citations that you can put at the bottom of your handout. When you present, you can send links, so forth and so on. So, typically I'll open it up. Oh, there's my credentials I have to sign in. So that'll take a second. That'll happen to you as well. So, okay. So I know off the bat anything from the International Literacy Association, their journals have a low acceptance rate. They're double-blind review, peer-reviewed. A low acceptance rate means that the quality is high, right? And there's been a lot of homework to investigate whether or not these articles should be published. So typically I'll read the abstract, go through and read it. If it's something that fits my fancy, you can download it into a PDF, save it to your desktop, or a folder on your desktop, or what have you, however you're doing that. Also, you'll notice on that page, it'll also recommend other articles, which is great, right? It's in the International Literacy Association family, but still there might be something there that you're interested in. You can share it, so forth and so on. You're probably going to have to go through on a cursory, kind of quick search, maybe 10 articles, and then weed through them from there. So if I just go down and look, another peer-reviewed, the dates are important. 2018, pretty current. This is for older kids, absolutely. Remember, we're talking kids K to 12. So, this might be of interest. Ooh, I love some syllabic work. This is 2020. Great journal. Journal of Adolescent and Adult Literacy. Perusing along. Remediation strategies. Well, that might be good, right? Because as a reading specialist, we work with the kids that are in, tier 2, tier 3 intervention many times in our MTSS and our RTI frameworks. So, super, super simple. Remember, you're looking for 2013. That's not bad. I mean, that's 13 years after the National Reading Panel. So you do want to pay attention. Once you have found the research, right? What is current? What's the new research saying since the National Reading Panel came out? Because you're going to present that to us. Then you want to decide what 2 strategies that you want to teach us. Is there something new that you've learned recently, or something new that you've read in the articles, or something you learned online that aligns with this research that you can teach us, that we can take to our classrooms tomorrow? So that's the quick review, and hopefully this is helpful. If you need more help, we can absolutely talk about it in class. Okay, see you later. Bye.